If you need a storage solution for your vehicle, Caddy Storage has solutions for any vehicle in any trade. Small car fit-outs re-engineered and certified when you need all the cargo space in tight locations. Our Caddy tray top aluminium canopies are not only outstanding value, they can be completely customised with endless off-the-shelf items. Single cab, dual cab, extra cab, and in different heights. Plus our half cab model. Basically, whatever type of ute tickles your fancy, we've got the aluminium canopy on the shelf to match. It's just like ordering takeaway. So we've got outlets nationwide so we can install and deliver no matter where you are. We understand you don't want what you don't want, but you do want what you absolutely need. At Caddy, our customisation of vehicles is second to none, giving you great value. Check out this fully custom build.
As we can see here, everything is tailor-made and we could do the same for you.
We're constantly innovating, like our new heavy-duty slides, or our heavy-duty drawers. Caddy Storage has so many options. Alpha Canopies come in a wide range of colours for a wide range of vehicles. Available in a wide range of models like Toyota Hilux, Nissan Navaras, and the LDV T60. So when you want the best, the toughest, the sexiest, the most versatile storage solution for your vehicle, think Caddy, or pop in and see our quality Aussie-made product for yourself. Caddy Storage for all your vehicle storage solutions.